Welcome to How to Play Big Pig. To play, you will need 2 dice, 2 or more players, and something to keep score with. The object of the game is to score points. Points are scored based on what is rolled with the dice. If one dice rolled is a 1, the player scores no points. If no 1 is rolled, the player scores the amount rolled. If doubles are rolled, the player scores twice the amount rolled. If double 1s are rolled, the player scores 25 points. A player can roll as many times as wanted, but if a single 1 is rolled, the player will get 0 points for that round. Diana starts this game by rolling the 2 dice. Diana rolls a total of 8. At this point, she can decide to keep the 8 points or risk them by rolling again. Diana decides to roll again. This roll has a 1, and Diana's turn is over with no points scored. Play moves to Peter to roll. Peter rolls a total of 6 and decides to roll again. The next roll has a 1, and Peter scores 0 for this round. Play moves to Wade. Wade rolls a total of 6 and decides to roll again. The second roll is double 3s. Double 3s adds 12 points to Wade's previous roll of 6 for a new total of 18. Wade decides to stop rolling and scores the 18 points. Play returns to Diana. Players continue to take turns rolling and scoring. The first player to an agreed upon amount of points wins the game. This game is being played to 150 points. Wade rolls double 1s for a total of 25 points. This is added to Wade's score and puts him over 150 points. Wade wins this game. If you enjoyed learning how to play Big Pig and you are curious about other games, our channel is your go-to spot for fun, easy-to-follow tutorials. Check out the collection of videos to find your next favorite game.